Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. So we are going to do a demo for you with my Taylor 114ce Acoustic Electric with the Katana Mark II on its acoustic setting. Now you do have variation mode or no variation mode. I have it set up for no variation mode first. We're going to go completely dry other than a little bit of reverb. And I'm on the 50 watt range. My master is at 9. My main volume is dimed, and my gain is at 9 o'clock. And of course, all my controls are at 12 o'clock on my guitar. And we'll add in that variation. So let's add in a little bit of chorus to that. Now we'll turn the variation off, leaving the chorus and reverb. Now, a lot of people will plug an acoustic electric guitar into a normal amp, which you actually shouldn't do. Very bad, feedback's way too fast, not to mention it sounds like garbage. So let's go on the clean amp setting. So non-acoustic preamped. Make sure everything is defaulted. Now this is complete dry signal. Now back to the acoustic. Clean. Back to acoustic. So, acoustic sounds better. It's not all tinny and ringy like it is on the clean channel. Okay, and of course, using the acoustic preamp in this, you're not going to cause damage to anything, even at high volumes. Okay, what you do want to do is get the heck away from the amp at high volumes because you can feedback. A feedback or sound hole cover thing usually helps an awful lot, so that if you are a bit closer to your amp, you can actually get away with turning the volume much louder and less chance. But with an open sound hole, yeah, it's going to be a little bit more chance there, but you can still get things going pretty loud. So let's go. Let's bring the master to half. Now I can hear a little bit of a ring because it's just starting on that edge of going at you. So, you know, this is very close proximity. I'm only like about 2 feet from the amp, right? Small area. But you don't need it that loud even in a small area. You can get away with much lower volumes. So even on the half-watt range, you know, you put the master up about 2 o'clock. This is on the half-watt range. So I say, I really like that. That sounds awesome to me. Anyways, that's our demo for the acoustic electric. Do check out the other videos. I did like 3 in one day. This one, the Strat, and the Epiphone Les Paul Custom Pro. So check out all those videos, and my Gibson Les Paul as well for a demo. And it gives you a good rounded comparison of these guitars and a basic idea of what things are going to be like. I mean, what you use for a mic to amp up something, you know, it's kind of whatever. But your room acoustics will be different. So sound that you hear on any videos is going to be in this environment, you know, on my channel and other people's environment on theirs and so on. But it does give you a pretty good rounded idea of, you know, what you can or cannot expect to get. And I like the variation mode in this amp, varying the acoustic side, the clean side, the crunchy, dirty side, whatever you're doing. It's nice to have a lot more tone options. But we'll talk about that when I get around to doing the review. I still want to do a video for you guys about programming this new amp as well, because Boss Tone Studio has changed its interface and how things work, because it had to, because of all the new features, even physically on the amp. But I got to tell you, from what I recall of my Katana 100 watt 1x12 first version amp, or Mach 1, as people are choosing to call it, because this is the Mark II, I can hear a big tonal difference. I think for the better in many, many ways. It's definitely way better sounding, you know, so that's a big difference, you know. It's going to be a different sounding amp. It's not going to sound exactly the same as the other one, even with the same settings, blah, blah, blah. It's not going to sound the same. It is definitely got a little bit of a voice of its own, if you know what I mean, as all amps do and so on. But I hope you enjoyed these videos, including this one on the acoustic. So that kind of rounds you out to everything except a Telecaster. I don't have a Tele. If I did, I'd be demoing it as well, and then you'd have basically humbuckers, Teles, and Strats, and so on. But That's what we've got for you, folks. So again, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and then smash that bell to get notifications from my channel. We'll just continue on going and having fun. So thanks for watching, and see you later.